All right, so let's see if we can search for something. Right, who is going to win the 2023 Zimbabwean elections? Right, let's see the answer. Yeah, obviously, what I expected. So when I heard that Zimbabwe has a new AI chatbot, I said to myself, I have to check this one out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. So Zimbabwe is a new AI chatbot called ZIVAI, and I heard that it was developed by Zimnat. I'm sure that's an insurance company, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so we are going to check it out. I think it's a great thing for local developers also to be coming up with AI tools. Now, from what I understand, it's using Chat GPT 3.5 and I think 4, yes, to run its prompts and stuff. So without wasting time, let's get into it. And I'm excited. What I'm excited about is that when people are talking about this AI, it's sort of like localized for the Zimbabwean market, and I want to see if that's exactly what it will be doing. Now, it's worth noting that this ZIVAI app is still in beta, so this is not the final version, so don't expect it to be working properly. I know it will have maybe a few mistakes here and there. So that's it. Without wasting time, let's check it out, guys. All right, so now this is the screen that you're greeted with. Like I said, this is it's beta mode so far, version 0.8. All right, now yes, so you're saying it. Please remember that I'm still in beta and this is not your final version. This is what I'm getting. So let's see if we can remove this window and see if we can have a look at the ZIVAI app. This is their logo. To create a new chat, I take it, you click here, search. Here I'm sure your previous searches. This is where they'll be. And you can also change themes. Okay. All right, so it looks like there's a lighter version and a darker version so far. So you can change between that. There's also a wallet. Okay, let me just click on wallet and see what it does. As you can see already, I have 995 credits, and I'm sure if you're new, they'll give you 999 credits because it's still in beta mode, right? And you can also buy credits. All right. So let's see if we can search for something. Right, who is going to win the 2023 Zimbabwean elections? Right, let's see the answer. Yeah, obviously, what I expected. It's saying it's an AI, so it cannot predict the outcome of future events, including election results, obviously. Okay, let me see if I can rephrase it. Who has the potential of winning the Zimbabwean elections in 2023. Right. It is not appropriate for me as an AI chatbot to endorse political candidature. All right, Zimbabwe is a democratic country. The election process allows all parties. Okay, at least I love the fact that it's neutral when it comes to that, right? You don't want any biased AI bot chat. Okay, so since they're saying this is localized, let me see if I can maybe do something. Maybe a query where I am searching for something that is uniquely local. All right, let me do it this way. Write, okay, an essay on the problems of Shika in Zimbabwe using Shona. Let's see what I can get with this search. I'm hopeful. Ndikumbira kukurudzira pamusoro pematambudziko emushikashika muZimbabwe. Mushikashika unokwanisira kusimbisa vanhu pachigadziriso chavo maitiro. What is this thing saying? Vamwe mukati mushikashika vanozodya varanda vanhu eminda dzaka. What is this? Okay, now I'm going to wait for it to generate this. This is actually, I think it's funny. I'm going to read this. Now, for those who understand, I'm sure you get what it's trying to say. Okay, but I'm impressed that it's actually writing this thing in Shona, eh? So maybe that's part of the localization. That's quite impressive. Okay, so it's finished writing the essay, right? Let's see if we can read the essay. And as I can say, there are also options to download or copy. Yes, or copy the essay. All right. Now it's saying ndikukumbira kukurudzira pamusoro pematambudziko emushikashika muZimbabwe. Mushikashika unokwanisira kusimbisa vanhu pachigadziriso chavo maitiro. Vamwe mukati memushikashika vanozodya varanda vanhu eminda dzatabva mushikashika inenge yatadza kukandirwa kubva pakati kwevarimi kunokanda kuuri. What is this thing talking about? I think it's messed up because mushikashika inopedzisira kumapenzi kutengesa hurumende kushinga vanhu pedyo nedzimba dzedu. Vanhu vanotenda kuita mushikashika nekufarisa eruka kwavarimi zvainotadza kuzopedza mushikashika. I don't think it understands what mushikashika is, right? Because yeah. Okay. Wow. I think it still has issues like because this is not making sense at all. I asked about mushikashika, which is like local pirate taxis here that operate here in Zimbabwe, and it's giving me these results. All right. What sort of prompts can I create? Let's say all right, who are the top Zim dancehall musicians in Zimbabwe? Okay, let's see. I'm not the one that's coming up with this, so all right. So it's saying in Zimbabwe, Zim dancehall music has become popular over the years, and there's various artists doing well in the genre. The top Zim dancehall musicians in Zimbabwe include number 1, Winky D, number 2, Say Colors, number 3, Soldier Love, number 4, Just Signal, number 5, Freeman. These are just a few of the top Zim. Okay, so it's saying pretty much Winky D is the greatest or is the best musician because he's on number 1, right? Just Signal, Freeman. Do you guys agree with the list? Or I don't know. I always feel like with this AI, there's like some sort of bias. I'm not sure if you saw the one with when Chat GPT was being asked about what it thought about certain maybe candidates from an opposing political party in the United States, and the results will be different depending on what you're asking. So maybe the bias is out of that, but yeah. So pretty much, I think this is the ZIVAI app, which is a positive development for us in Zimbabwe. You know, having our own chatbot to be using as well is a positive for me. I pretty much like it, and I support anything that is local at the end of the day. I think when the industry maybe probably moves to a space where we are also, you know, creating the underlying technology, if you get what I'm saying. Otherwise, yeah, this is a positive development, and well done to the guys at Zimnat for creating this AI chatbot, and we'll be using it. And you guys can also go and use it and support local, right? So that is the ZIVAI AI app in a nutshell. What do you guys think? Do you think it is a bright future for Zimbabwean techies? I think it's a good start. You know what? If the whole world is probably jumping onto the Chat GPT bandwagon, also Zim developers, it's a nice thing to see that they're also doing the same thing. We don't want to be, you know, the ones that are always following the trends and stuff. Let's also jump into these bandwagons and grow the industry. I'm really hoping that it can iron out a few issues like its interpretation of Shona. I'm not really impressed with the results that I was getting, but yeah, local developers, keep it up. The guys at Zimnat, keep it up. Remember, these guys are not sponsoring me at all. This is just neutral. This is just for the support of local tech. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.